everybody, it's Colleen with Artwork by Colleen. It's been a hot minute since I've made a video, but first I got stuck for the holidays with a canceled flight, and then shortly after I got back, I went to Graceland, fell, and broke my arm. So today's the first day I've been able to make something, and I decided to make a hibiscus. So you could see previously with the colors that I decided to match, and now I'm going to do first a little Skinner blend that's going to ultimately become the bottom base of the flower, sort of like the where the stamen would come from. And what I did was I pressed it and turned it into a little block after I blended it out. Then I stuck the blade, the opposite side of the blade in it, just to give it a little movement from one color into the other. Now I'm going to take a little piece of the pink that's the main petal color. You can see here I made a Skinner blend from that. I folded that down, and I'm also going to push that into a little square block, and that's going to be the other end of the stamen. That's going to be where the beginning of the petal is going to be. So to do these petals, I did it a little bit differently. I used the pink. I cut it down to a 3. Actually, I think it was a 4. It's either a 3 or 4. And then I took the darker pink and I made it like maybe rolled it out on a 7, so it would be really thin. And then I sliced it up and I just made slice after slice. You can see that as the petal is made, it's more triangular shape. So I decided to go ahead and make some more shapes. So you'll see when I turn it to the side, I'm only doing it halfway down, and you can see that it's making a triangular side. And then I did the same on the other side so that it gave the whole petal a more triangular shape. Then I'm reducing it down, and I added that little white piece to it. Now I'm going to go and put some white veins into it. Is this the best way? I don't know. It's just the way I do it. The veins should kind of be different lengths. They should not all be even. So that's perfect for me because I'm not really big on measuring. So I'm putting it all down there, and I did several different ones, as you can see here by the picture. And I did a few more. You didn't need to see me do every single one. Once I finished that all, then I put the bottom piece of the petal together and I began to reduce it. What my plan is here, I reduced the petals out to about a 5-inch then, cut them each 1 inch, and then was going to put the flower together. One of those petals is going to be where the little stamen stick is going to be. So the way I did that was I cut it in half, and then I took a piece of yellow and I put it in there, and that's going to make the stamen. But since around it at the top piece, it's got like, I don't know, like little dots and all, I guess, where all the pollen is. So I decided the way I did that was I rolled out some yellow and some pink, and I kind of layered them one on top of each other, then put the yellow, put some more yellow and pink rolls on top of that, and then put the together so that when it's finished, it'll have that one piece of yellow. It's kind of hard to see from here, but after I did that, then I formed it together. What you're going to want to do is I just took a little wood dowel and I kind of gave the ends of the flower a little bit more life, sort of, because they're not actually a real triangular shape. And then I took the black and I went in between, and I wanted to make all these petal pieces more pronounced. So I kind of did that. And then just make sure that your petal is, if not all the way, almost all the way, you get some black in between that. Even on one of them, it's really super thin black. If you heard that, that was my dumb Siri. Anyway, and then after that, I filled in a little bit of the black to try to keep the petals keep their shape so that they stayed looking like individualized petals. And then at this point, I just put the black all around it. And this is the end product. I wanted to thank you guys for watching. I didn't show the reduction of it. It's like done like any others, but because of my broken arm, it took me a good deal longer to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. I hope you have a wonderful day.